Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the personal list feature in ClickUp to make private tasks. This is incredibly useful when you need to keep certain tasks visible only to yourself, whether they're personal reminders or work items you're not ready to share with your team yet. First, you'll want to navigate to clickup.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your workspace management begins. Now on your panel, click on Spaces and select the specific space where you want to use this personal list feature. Spaces in ClickUp help you organize different areas of your work, so choosing the right one ensures your private tasks stay organized within the correct context. Once you've selected your space, look beside the space name where you'll see three dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This will open up a menu with several options for managing that particular space. From the menu that appears, click on Create New, and then select List. Lists in ClickUp are how you organize groups of tasks, and by creating a new one here, you're setting up a dedicated area for your private work. Now you'll need to input a name for your list. Choose something that clearly identifies what these tasks are for, making it easy for you to find later. You'll also see an option to add a description, but this part is completely optional. If you want to add more context about what this list is for, go ahead, but it's not required to proceed. Here comes the most important step. You need to enable the Make Private option. This is what actually transforms your regular list into a personal private space that only you can see. Without toggling this option on, your list would be visible to other members in your space, which defeats the purpose of keeping these tasks confidential. After you've enabled the Make Private setting, simply click Create. ClickUp will process this and generate your new personal list within just a moment or two. And there you have it. You've successfully created a personal list in ClickUp where you can add tasks that remain completely private to you. This feature gives you the flexibility to manage sensitive or personal items without cluttering your team's view or sharing things prematurely. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.